The lesson of the selfish tiger. Tiger. Ha! Listen everyone, I am the king of this forest. Every food, every animal and bird in this forest is for me. No matter how much you work, hunt, collect fruits, it will all go to my stomach first. My hunger will be satisfied, then you will eat what falls to your share. I am so strong, my teeth and nails are so sharp, that with one roar the entire forest trembles. So be careful. Don't let anyone look at my share. I ate half of the deer I caught yesterday, and don't let anyone dare to eat the other half. You all will only obey me, because if I get angry, the forest will be destroyed. Do you understand? This forest is nothing without me. You will not be able to survive without me. That's why I say, there is no point in ever thinking about anyone else before satisfying your own hunger. Me first, me later, always me. Without me, the forest is dark. Elephant. Tiger brother, I am surprised to hear you say that. You say that everything is for you? How is this justice? It is not just you in this forest, we are all there. There are trees, rivers, birds, small animals. Everyone has the right to live. If you eat all the food alone, then others will starve to death. And remember, you can intimidate with strength, but you cannot gain respect. Respect comes from sharing, from kindness. With such a large body, I eat only a few branches and leaves every day. If I wanted to, I could cut down the trees and destroy the entire forest. But I don't, because everyone has to be allowed to live. If you think only of yourself, one day everyone will turn against you, and then you will be alone. No matter how big a selfish person or animal is, in the end they will face destruction. Monkey. Ha ha ha. Hey tiger brother, look at your situation. I want everything, I want everything. You are just like that greedy person who puts his hand in an earthen pot and catches a jackfruit and cannot get out. On the one hand, you are dressing up as a king, and on the other hand, you are becoming blind with greed. If you were like Uace, enjoying eating fruits, jumping on trees, jumping into rivers, then you would understand how beautiful life is. But you only think about eating and eating. Do you know what? The one who has a big stomach sleeps less. You think so much about hunting every day that you don't sleep at night, and you cannot learn to be happy like Uace. This greed will make you a laughing stock one day. Remember, the forest belongs to everyone. What will you do if you find the forest alone? Don't play with anyone. Don't talk to anyone. Just sit alone and chew bones. Ha ha ha. How funny. That's why I'm saying, if you are selfish, no one will love you. Fox. Brother tiger, I will tell you one thing even though I am small. You say you are a king. Okay, you may be strong, but being a king does not mean only being strong. A king means being just, standing by everyone, seeing everyone's happiness and sorrow. If you only see your own happiness, you will not be a king, you will be a selfish tyrant. And remember, a tyrant does not last long. If the forest is yours, then whose are the fish in the river? Whose are the fruits of the trees? Whose are the honey of the flowers? If you want to own everything, one day nature will turn against you. Then you will see that the river has dried up, there are no fruits on the trees, no animals to hunt. You will die of hunger alone. So learn while you have time. Share food, share life. Learn to be happy with the happiness of others. This is true strength. Tuntuni. Listen everyone, and listen, tiger brother. I am small, but I have wings, so I can see everything from the sky. I have seen that where there are selfish animals, there is no peace. Greed blinds people, but the one who shares is the happiest. Tiger brother, you may have thought that the forest is dark without you. But you are wrong. This forest is illuminated by every animal together. If bees do not sit on flowers and make honey, fruits will not grow. If there are no fruits, monkeys will not eat. If monkeys do not eat, seeds will not spread. If there are no seeds, trees will not grow. If there are no trees, there will be no wind. If there is no wind, you will not be able to breathe. Do you see? Everything is interconnected. Therefore, selfishness means cutting off your own hand. If you love everyone, let everyone live. Only then will you be a true king. Remember, sharing is happiness, and selfishness is destruction. Lesson: a selfish animal or human becomes alone one day. Sharing and kindness, these two are true peace and respect.